like the way his car sounds too. Birdman.
Oh yeah.
About not pulling in and giving him 5.
Got him! Woo! That'll work. Got him.
First pair down the road, that'll work.
Nope, I don't think he didn't. He caught it. What you got down there?
Left lane.
Left lane. Hold on 1 second.
I don't know. Do you think he crossed?
Man, it looked like he did. He didn't cross.
I don't think he crossed. I don't think he did.
You think he did?
I don't think so.
Nobody said anything.
Okay.
Anyway.
Nah, he didn't cross.
No.
It hit the yellow line, but I don't think.
Yeah. Hey, you got to remember, Jeff. It's this far past the yellow line.
Yeah, it's this seam right here.
Yes.
So it's
Yeah,
this,
No, he
Okay.
100% didn't cross.
Yeah. Okay.
now, if he says something, then go look at it. But
Nah.
Since I hadn't been down this road, put a really soft tune-up in it, and it was too soft. But luckily, Jay Bird put too hot of a tune-up in it. I made it to the end, he didn't. I win.
Nice job, buddy. Good to have you here.
Hey, I won my damn race. First race out here, ain't never been down the road. Birdman's back.
This sucks, man. You know, killing these out the hole and can't hold it.